When I state the predicate, I mean that shit you better get up off your ass and out this time, go get some medicate. Medicine up in my cabinet, I keep it separate from writing out and I'm crazy. I can't afford the hell of it with the 1-inch punch. I'll get the ravens to lunch with the guts of foes who did bloods, but could not keep them mouth shut for a goddamn second. So I hit with the blunt force to a